Hey guys, this is us tonight. We'll do a full video tour tomorrow, but I wanted to show you how the beds look. We haven't slept in them yet. We just checked in, we put our bags down. Here's Hudson saying very nice. Hudson approves. And yeah, microwave, refrigerator, bathroom. James used the toilet, so excuse him for not putting the toilet seat back down. But you get the general idea. This is the little courtyard area. I mean, it's raining, so obviously it's wet and no one's out here, but I just wanted to show you. This is the dining room area, and there's a really nice breakfast buffet. There's oatmeal. You get your choice of toppings. Cereal, fruit, yogurt, milk, the hot choices. Boiled eggs, turkey sausage, pork sausage, scrambled eggs, just to show you, very nice. Salsa, and then a little waffle maker. You can make your own waffles. And then bagels, bread, toaster, everything. It's really great. Oh, I realized I didn't show you the turkey sausage, but here's the turkey and pork sausage. And let me show you the oatmeal, because I did have the oatmeal and it was extra good. There's the oatmeal. It was really very good. Coffee, and the coffee was like, you could come down here all night long and get coffee and juice if you wanted to. This is more a lounge area. Like I said, I try to not to show people. Here's the lobby. Again, the eating area. Super nice. Computer. Here's the fitness center. Nice, right? Huge fitness center. Elevators. Really nice, super friendly staff too. I might add. Oh, and you can fill your water. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? For free. Filtered water. So let's go up to the room. We're on the 4th floor. Very clean, big elevator, you know, totally ADA accessible as well. This is the 4th floor, this is where we stayed. And let me show you just down the hall. This is the opposite end where we stayed. But it was super quiet, like I didn't hear a thing. This way, just, you know, there's I-95 right there. Totally easy on, easy off from I-95. Couldn't be more convenient. There's a truck stop behind us. And we're gonna swing back around. We're gonna go down the hall to our room. Now, we did film it last night before we slept in the bed, so apologies for this room tour. That it's going to be, you know, not quite as neat, but we use the bathroom, etc. And I'll give you our room tour. We are stayed in room 405. Here we are, 405. Use a key card. So here's our room. We opted for the 2 queen beds, but you could get a king-size bed, I believe, as well. And really nice little area to put your bags down, mirror, full screen, flat screen TV. Beds were super comfortable, very clean sheets. Another little area for your luggage. Little desk area, super great. And our room faced the back. Let me show you. There's like a privacy screen, so I'm just gonna like kind of, it faces like a farm. So it's super quiet. And we put our car in the back so we could keep our eye on it. That's our white car down below. But it's a farm, so it's super quiet. Really, 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 really nice. Let me show you the bathroom. Again, we used the bathroom this morning. Checkout time is 11 a.m., but because we're Marriott Bonvoy members, it's 12 p.m., so noon. Extra towels down below. Huge shower. Huge. And nice, like, body wash, conditioner, shampoo. Alice & Company, I think it is. Really big bathroom. Shower, I think could fit 3 people probably. And yeah, that's pretty much the room tour. So I would highly, highly recommend staying here. And it's pet friendly. The whole motel is pet friendly. I don't know if you call this hotel, I guess it is, because it's not motel style, it's 5 floors. Oh, and there's a little coat hook as well. So yeah, we would definitely stay here again. Nice. And the free breakfast buffet was an added bonus. Oh, and I forgot to say that the air conditioner worked super well. Like there's, you know, it's a whole system. You can set it for whatever temperature you desire. We put it to 74. It was super comfortable. And again, highly recommend staying here. If you're traveling from New York to Florida, Florida to New York, extra good. Oh, and there's free Wi-Fi as well. We didn't use the Wi-Fi, but it worked. Like I just checked it and it did work. It was great. A high-speed Wi-Fi. So I want to show you something. Welcome, furry friends. Parents are also welcome. How cute is that? Oh, and let me show you something else. So there's a little corner market area in case you need any snacks. You know, you purchase those. Candy, cup of noodles, mac and cheese. Look at that. Water. Pepto-Bismol, Dayquil, everything. Oh, even laundry detergents and stuff. So we're all checked out. Let's go outside. Fairfield by Marriott. Here's the view. There's some doggos being walked as we speak. And it is lightly raining. So I'm not going to spend a long time outside, but I'll show you the hotel. Let me back up. Wow, I have to back up a lot. So let me back up. I don't want to get run over by a car that's in this parking lot, but here we go. I wanted to give you the overview. And literally, there's I-95. So couldn't be any more convenient. Fairfield by Marriott, Inn and Suites, extra good. And what you've probably all been waiting for, how much did this cost? Well, as you probably heard, we used our points through our credit card, but it would have been $185, but I think it was like 24,000 points But I would definitely stay here again, and it was worth it because you got a free breakfast, and the breakfast was great. Really, really great. James had the scrambled eggs and some toast, and I had my oatmeal. It was extra, extra good, guys. Fairfield by Marriott Inn and Suites. Perfection. So I'm going to walk to the car now. It was very well lit, the parking lot at night. There was a side exit that we used, and then of course the back entrance that you could enter to at night with your key card. We felt very comfortable here, and the car was totally safe in the parking lot. It was very well lit, no problems at all. So off we go, back on I-95 in the rain. So guys, we are leaving the hotel, and apologies for the shakiness. I'm not using a gimbal, but I want to show you how easy it is to get on and off Interstate 95. And
yeah.
No, let's keep on going. Yeah. And James said, should we stop for gas? And I was like, nah, let's just keep on going because it's raining and everything like that. We'll want to stop later anyway to walk Hudson. So there you go. 295, whether you're going north or south, it doesn't matter. We're going north. So south, you would make a right. And north, we keep on going straight ahead. And we'll get us back on 95. And then, of course, we will start our live stream. Oh, and this was in Stony Creek, by the way. I realized I never said where this Fairfield Inn and Suites, Fairfield by Marriott Inn and Suites was. It was in Stony Creek, Virginia. So that was a good piece of information to know. Stony Creek, Virginia. All right, off we go.